Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be showing you how to make this DIY snapper out of just a wacky track, and yeah, so I hope you enjoy it. Now let's get into it. So to make this, all you will need is one wacky track, and that's it. And sorry I haven't been uploading recently, like I just haven't had much time, but I'll be trying to upload as much as I can. Anyway, I'll just show you how to make it. So what you want to do is you want to first of all join your wacky track together like this. Sometimes they can be quite hard to do. Others are easier, others are hard. And it should look like a circle or something like this. Now what you want to do is you want to make a plus shape like this. And if your wacky track's like too big, you might have to take some pieces off. And if it's too small, and if you don't have like another wacky track, you probably won't be able to make this. But once you've got this plus sign, you want to bend these sides up. And some wacky tracks just work better than others, so it'll look like a mini little plus symbol. And all you want to do is just squash it down. And there you go. That's your DIY snapper. And if you want to get it back, instead of just like bending it out like that, what you can do is just click it till it gets like halfway like that, and you can just bend it back out, and then you can play with it again. And then that's how to make this DIY snapper. This is going to be a pretty short video, but I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.